All right, we got a beautiful Cherokee Limited right here. This thing's got all glass doors, campfire base camp package. But look at this, 2 ACs, island kitchen. Look how beautiful this trailer. Dinette turns into a sleeper. Recliners, that turns into a sleeper. But look at the upholstery. This is why you buy a Limited. Fireplace, nicer refrigerator. Look at these appliances. Ooh, this is way too nice. Look at this trailer. Got your own private bedroom. You got a nice entry door to the bathroom from both sides. Look at that. So nice. But look at that. Beautiful.